Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some faux stained glass lanterns perfect for your fall decor. And we're using Unicorn Spit Sparkling and Allure Dimensional Design Adhesive Paint. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some stained glass lanterns. Mix 2 colors of Unicorn Spit Sparkling and create a whole new color. That's what I did. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.